Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. And this video I'm going to show you a really interesting way to make some great money online. So if you are a college going student or you are a mom who is just at home and you want to make some great money online, then watch this video till the end because I'm going to show you a really interesting way to make some great money online. Okay, this is not going to be a big money strategy from where you are gonna earn thousands of dollars, but still you can make $100 to $200 every single month with this very simple and easy websites. Okay, you can go over to this websites, work for this websites, and you can pretty make some great money. Okay, but you can make some good amount of money with these websites. So now let's get started into the video. Let me show you these websites. These are all legit websites and they will pay you money. So just start working on them if you are interested in this type of online work. Okay, but you are not gonna get rich with this, but still you can make some money here and that. Okay, so now let's get started with the content. Okay, so now let's go, and the first website is known as 2captcha.com. Now all you need to do is solve a captcha, because you have seen a lot of times that if you sign up for a website, there appears the captcha in which it is said that are you a robot or you are not a robot. So you just have to fill out and give a small test, and on this website all you need to do is type down this captcha. Okay, so if I type down this captcha over here, and you can see that you are gonna get paid to just type down this captcha. So you can see that starting from zero point 0.5 USD per thousand captchas. So if you are solving 1000 captchas over here, you can earn up to zero point 0.5 USD. It may take an hour to do so, but still you can make some great money. So you can see that there is this rate keeps going on. Okay, so this rate keeps solving. Okay, so you can see that you can earn up to $0.81 just by solving 1000 captures. Okay, as well as you can earn and your earning can go up to $3 per thousand captures. Okay, so that's something which is really important, and that's something which most of the people of you can do. Okay, all you need to do is just sign up on this website and you can start doing this work. It depends on how much time it takes for you to solve a captcha, but still it's really simple. Okay, anyone can do it. It may take some work, and you can see this website is partnered with all this really trusted websites, including Java. So you can see that it's a really trusted website, and you can start doing this captcha solving job on this website 2captcha.com, and you can get a lot of money with it. But still, I'm not gonna say that you are gonna get rich with this, but still you can make some money. Okay, now I'm gonna show you another website from where you can make a bit more money than 2captcha just by doing the same work of solving a captcha, and that is mega typers. Okay, on mega typers you can earn money just by typing. Okay, earn typer credits worth 200 every single month, and you can see there are lots and lots of people are working on this website, and they are making some great amount of money. Okay, all they need to do is just type down this captchas and they are going to be paid for that. And you can see the rate can go up to $1.5 per thousand words typed. Okay, so you can see you can also make a great money on this website, and they pay through PayPal. Okay, so if you are really interested, and you can see that they pay in different currencies, as well as they will pay you through all these methods. Okay, so there won't be so you can see you get paid through debit cards, bank checks, PayPal, web money, perfect money, Paysel, Western Union. So just don't complain that this particular what can we say, that this particular payment method does not work in my country, because there are all these options available, and one of these options may be working in your country. Okay, so don't just have any doubts. If you are really interested in making money online, doing this very simple work just by solving this simple captchas, then definitely go for this website, go over here you just have to click the sign up button. You can sign up on this website and you can start doing this very simple work of just typing down captchas, and you can start making money with this very simple website. So all you need to do is enter your email, your password, your name, your payment. Okay, so you can select anyone whichever you like. Okay, PayPal, or my favorite is PayPal, but you can have anyone. Okay, now all you need to do is just paste all those things and just you are ready to go for this. Okay, so this is the second website from where you can earn money just by solving this captchas. Let me show you the third website. The third website is known as Color Babbler. Uh, I don't know if I pronounced it right, but still, it's also one of the great website which pays you money just for doing this very simple work. You can see there are a lot of testimonials on this website, and there are a lot of people who are earning a lot of money just by solving very simple captchas. Okay, so you can, and the best thing about this website is that you can instantly withdraw the money earned from different for a different payment system or sent to someone else's account. So you have the ability to instantly just transfer your money to your account. Okay, so that's something which is really great about this website. Okay, so you can see there is a system of payments. Okay, so they will track everything, they will track your entries and send your payments at a time. Okay, so don't worry about that. And you can see it's been established in 2007. Since that time this company has been working, and that's one of the big thing that you should trust this company. Okay, and it definitely works, and you can also start making money just this, and this pays the most money as compared to this two captcha and mega typers. This collective babbler pays more money, and you can just do this from any country in the world. They accept people from all over the world, so there won't be any excuse that it doesn't work in my country or it's not working. Okay, so all you need to do is just take some action. Okay, so if you are a mom just at home, or you are a student who just wants some extra pocket money, then you can definitely do this simple jobs. But still, if you are interested in making some serious sustainable money online, then you should definitely check out all these other videos on my YouTube channel. In these videos I talk about some serious methods on which from which you can make thousands of dollars online every single month. You can become a full-time online business owner and start making a full-time income just by following the strategies which I reveal on my YouTube channel, because not all the affiliate gurus are going to give you these strategies absolutely for free. But I created this YouTube channel just to share with you the knowledge of affiliate marketing and digital marketing, online entrepreneurship absolutely for free. I don't promote any of the products over here on my YouTube channel. I just provide you the free value as much as I can. And if sometimes I promote any of the product, then I definitely use it and then I promote it, or I only promote the products which I have personally used. So you can definitely check out all the strategies on my YouTube channel that can make you a ton of money online. And if you want some to make some great pocket money, then you can check out these three websites which I have shown on this video to make some awesome PayPal money. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.